How's it going, guys? This is Johnny Do 3D, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful Blender Mahjong tutorial, and let's get into it. So first of all, we're gonna create a text object here. And let's change the font. I'm using a Chinese font here. Blender doesn't support search this font by initial letters. You would have to type the Chinese character in order to search the font we need. And then we're gonna type the character. By the way, this character only supports simplified Chinese, which means you would have to type the simplified Chinese and it will convert to the traditional Chinese automatically in Blender. And let's set the resolution preview to 6 in order to get the missing stroke. And then we're gonna hit the object, convert to mesh like this, so it become a mesh object. And now you can see there are so many faces that we don't need. And what I'm gonna do is to merge them by using the decimate modifier, so that will be easier for us to add it later. Hit apply. And tab, go to the edit mode and merge those vertex by distance, so it will merge the vertex that close to each other. It looks fine, and I can merge some vertex manually by using merge at center, so those 2 points or 2 vertex will merge in the center, and here those 2 vertex is too close to each other and it will be a problem when we bevel the whole character later. So I gonna move those 2 vertex away from each other like this. Looks fine. And then we're gonna go to the solidify modifier like this to extrude it. The reason why I didn't go to the edit mode to extrude it is because the modifier makes it easier for us to edit the faces. If we use the edit mode, we're gonna have to edit 2 faces together and it will be a really messy problem. We're gonna shift A, create a mesh like this. Alright, so what we're gonna do is add a boolean modifier and union, combine these 2 objects together and add a bevel modifier like this. And remember to turn off the clamp overlap, so now I can see. Let's set it to 0, 0, 1. Alright. Face looks okay overall. And if you're looking for perfection, you can add a vertex like this, so not intersecting each other. Control-Shift-B like this. Merge these two vertex. Center. Like merge this center. And more segments, so it will look rounder. Let's try maybe the other part. Okay, it looks good. Looks good. And the next thing we're going to do is add a cube. So what we're gonna do is let the object we made before to cut this cube. So we will get a engraved Mahjong by using the bullet modifier. So the reason why I added a cube below is because we only use character match to cut the cube. The character edge that is beveled on the surface is going to be really complicated to make in the edit mode, and it's not changeable in the future. Put them close so you can see the bevel edge, but don't put them too close or you will see a square hole that was cut by the other cube. Set your origin to geometry, and we're gonna flip the character along the x-axis on the mode we made. Object mirror x local, so with the mode cutting the cube, the character will look right. And the font we're going to see will look in the right direction. Like this. Tab. Gonna add another 5-volt modifier like this. Second to 8. All right. Let's check out the result. We need to add a boolean modifier so you can see the result. Cute. Test. This. No. Cube. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. It really helps me out. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.